Civil Regime dropped their newest collection, Rose from the Storm, and the way they describe this collection is, even in the darkest and most challenging times, there is budding for growth, resilience, and transformation. Just as a rose can bloom from concrete, we can also rise above and emerge with newfound strength and beauty. And what I noticed is they work on several different collections and kind of drop them throughout the year. So it's not something that's on sale all the time, every time. I found this brand about 2 weeks ago, saw them on Instagram. I'm in the market for graphic oversized tees. And because each item has a finite quantity, like a few hundred, they tend to label them 1 through 500 or something. So I guess there's more of like that limited product aspect of it. So this is my first time. We're gonna check them out. So if you're into graphic tees, oversized tees, this could be it. Let's get into it. This is the bag it came in. So ordered this on, it dropped Sunday, like 6 or 7 Pacific time. So I ordered this Sunday evening, and today is Friday. The label was created on Monday, shipped out on Tuesday, I think, and it's Friday. Or shipped out Tuesday or Wednesday, so it got here relatively quick. So that's it for the bag. So I got 2 shirts in a size large because I want that oversized fit. So here's the first one. Here's the first one, comes in this relatively nice bag. I don't know if you could see that. Alright, so we're gonna unzip it. It's supposed to be like distressed style tees. Zip the bag. Wow, this is a really, oh shoot. It's a really thick collar and it's pretty wide. I don't know how their returns go, but this is it. Dang, that's like really big actually. Maybe I should have got a medium. So the shirt definitely looks distressed, as you could see on the collar. I don't know if it focuses. As you could see the collar, you could see the distress marks on it. It's a thick collar. It's about an inch. This is the sleeve. I don't know if you could see that either. Yeah, it's like distressed on the sleeve. This is the tag. There we go. Civil Regime. I don't know if you could read that part. Here we go. Vintage wash. The vintage collection achieves its authentic look and feel through special dye and mineral wash processes, which create unique and natural variances in texture, distress, and shade. These are intentional and not considered defective. Please take care as the colors may transfer. Wash separately, avoid contact with pale fabric and surfaces, and follow the care instructions. This is the Rider in the Storm 199X oversized tee in vintage wash. So that's the front. And that's the back. Back side. And there's the label. So let's try this on. I'm gonna put this on over my tee. So It looks, the collar is a little bit wider than I want, but I mean, fits pretty well. It's a lot of room. I love how the sleeves go all the way down. It actually goes like, this is my elbow right here. So it goes pretty low. I like that. Obviously, it's oversized fit, so there's a lot of room to it. Let's see. I don't know if you can notice right here. So my back pocket is right here. I guess like my butt goes to like right here. So it goes pretty low, relatively low. Good fit. Definitely get that vintage feel with this shirt. Oh, you can also see the bottom right here. Same thing like the sleeves. So overall, it's like awkward. I need to get down. Yep. What do you think? All right. Woo. It's not beer, by the way, it's water. All right, so shirt number 2. I don't know why I keep looking in the back. There's nothing in the back. All right, so same thing with the collar, the tag. Same thing with the collar and the tag. Collar is about 1 inch thick. You see distress marks on the collar. Same thing on the sleeves. I don't think there's as much compared to the other one, now that I'm looking at this one in particular. Oh yeah. So here it is. There's the front. There's the front. And there's the back. This one looks a little more gray, I think. You got the tag, the vintage wash, information, tag, roses from concrete, blooming through chaos. I don't think I showed this in the other one, but as you can see the tag, the civil regime, made in Mexico. 100% cotton. Care instructions right there. Okay, it's not focusing, but care instructions are right there. If you want to look at the stitching on the inside. So I'm not gonna wear this with the shirt underneath, but actually I might. It should fit just like the other one. Yeah, so it goes down, same thing, elbows right here. Fits the same. Me butt right here. Let me get low. Heck yeah. Good wash. Heck yeah, dude. Alright guys, there you have it, Civil Regime. First time checking them out. So as you can see, the numbering is right here. So I got 41. For the first shirt, I got 57. I got 57. So, okay, all right. Top 100, still good. Overall, I think I'm a fan. I like the prints, I like the designs, I like the feel of the shirt, the way it's washed, the way it fits. And I think I gambled right with the size large because I don't have to return it. And I could just wear it, like right now, like all day. So that'll be, everything's good. Except I probably won't hold it when I hold my kids because they tend to be very messy, and my baby actually like drools, so they'll kind of like eat or whatever and then drool all over me right here when I hold them. So probably not gonna wear this when I'm at home hanging out with the kids, but if you see it in photos, I'll probably be wearing this in my videos, so check it out. If you like Civil Regime, check out what they have left, because I know this stuff sells out pretty quickly. Looks like they have a couple pieces left, like hats, a couple jackets, sweaters, and a couple shirts. So if you're into oversized shirts, right here. Right. Overall, it's a good shirt, and I plan to wear it for until like I'm 80 or something. So graphic tees, graphic, oversized tees, vintage wash, vintage look. Check it out, Civil Regime, guys. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And if you're in the market for a down jacket, I did a review, an in-depth review of a Canada Goose down jacket, which is probably one of my favorite jackets. So check it out, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.